Hi everybody, this is Chelsea. Welcome to my bubble. Today I'm going to be cleaning and de-junking my laundry room because it is a huge mess. Let's take a look at what it looks like right now. So this is the door coming in and you can't even open it because there's a bunch of clean clothes that need to be put away behind the door. And there's just so many baskets, and I got to get rid of these baskets because I feel like I use them to put clean clothes in and they just kind of stay behind the door. And then I need to wash my washing machine. It needs to be cleaned, and these have been on there for quite some time, and I have tried so many times to get them off and they won't come off. They are Sharpie, and I don't know, guys, if you can tell me in the comments what I can use to get this off. I've tried soft scrub, I've tried Gooby Gone, I've tried baking soda and vinegar. Like, it won't come off. I'm so frustrated with it. It looks horrible. So yeah, I gotta do some cleaning in here definitely, and some de-junking, and I might even dive into this cabinet that needs to be de-junked as well. We'll see how much time I have left. So I'm going to speed up this video, and it's going to be a time lapse so you guys can watch me de-junk and clean and be inspired to de-junk and clean your own laundry rooms. Let's get started.
Lost in a lonely haze, getting it good ain't easy. Hold on to what you got. You're not a fleeting phase. You got the hands that please me. You got the hands that please me, please me, please me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. You'll be better with me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. I'll make you better than you'll ever be.
Loved you in a place where there was no space and time. Yeah, we came alive.
All right, I am all done, and this is my clean, to me anyway, video. These are dirty clothes that need to be washed, and I think that's pretty good considering I have 6 people in this household. And yeah, we are all clean. I'm gonna tackle the cabinet another day. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I hope that I inspired somebody to go and clean their own laundry room or some other area of their house. I have to go fold clothes now, and then I have to go do some work on my business, and I hope you all have a bubbly day. Goodbye!